Thanks, Eric. So I'm Noah. I'm joined on stage here by Tammy and James, and we are completely fired up to be here to talk about OnDeck Capital. Since the last time we presented at Finovate, OnDeck has provided over $250 million in loans to Main Street businesses all across America. We've done this through our unique lending platform that uses big data to make better credit decisions. Our credit model and our technology is proven, and what we're here to show you today is how banks and other financial institutions can leverage the OnDeck platform and our technology to provide credit to their small business customers. I'm joined on stage by Tammy from the Association for Enterprise Opportunity. The AEO recently selected the OnDeck platform for a really exciting program called the 1 in 3 Alliance, and I'll turn it over to Tammy to tell you a bit more.
Thanks, Noah. So AEO is a national trade association. Our 400+ members provide capital and services to underserved entrepreneurs around the U.S. The 1 in 3 Alliance is based on a very simple premise. If just 1 in 3 very small businesses in the U.S. hired just one additional employee, the country would be at full employment. Through the Alliance, AEO, our members and partners, are committed to reaching 1 million entrepreneurs with the capital and services they need to grow and hire. OnDeck is powering the platform that will bring CRA-compliant working capital loans and business development assistance, building on the network of community-based nonprofits around the country. Through the program, an entrepreneur can come to the AEO website, apply for a loan, and be matched to a community organization in just minutes. I'll let Noah show you how it works.
Great, thanks, Tammy. So, James is our demo driver today, and we're going to say that James owns a restaurant in St. Louis. He comes to the AEO website and then goes to a sign-up page that's co-branded with the AEO. He sets up his OnDeck account with just his email and secures it with a password. And essentially, what we're going to see is James going forward, hitting a co-branded page again that will explain the lending process to him. Great. So we've landed here. He's welcome to the 1 in 3 program, and we'll see how the process works. Essentially, James is going to complete his online profile. He's going to get a pre-approval online. He's going to configure and design the terms of his loan, and then he's going to essentially check out and get funded. And we're going to do this all in the remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds in this demo. So we're here on the owner profile. James is going to provide a little bit of information about himself and about his business. Now, the challenge with most small business loan products historically is that they've been solely based on the owner's personal credit score. If you're not in the top 20%, you're just not getting approved. In contrast, OnDeck has built our credit model and our platform by integrating with over a dozen different online data sources: banks, credit bureaus, social data, public records, you name it. We've incorporated it into our credit model to make a different, better lending decision, usually approving 40% more customers than a bank's typical credit model. On the last tab here, James is going to enroll his bank account in the OnDeck system. By doing this, we can download and analyze his cash flow in real time. And this is a pool of data previously untouched by most small business lending products. We can make a more granular lending decision, a more accurate lending decision, and then we can actually monitor the health and performance of James's business during the life of the loan. James is going to choose his business checking account, and essentially his work is done. Behind the scenes, the OnDeck platform has done the heavy lifting. We've actually been able to approve James for a working capital loan with just that small amount of information. And before we actually fund the loan, I'd like to quickly turn it over to Tammy to talk a little bit about how the 1 in 3 Alliance provides more than just capital to small business owners.
Sure. So the inside pages make it much faster and simpler for the business owner or the nonprofit to whom they're matched to see the financial health of the business. The insights are in 2 categories: cash flows and credit. You can see from the cash flow trends page that James's business cash flow is improving month on month, giving us the confidence to invest in his business. If we go to the credit page, we see that different pieces of credit data impact lending decisions in different ways. The colored boxes show the strengths and weaknesses in the credit profile. We know that small business owners, especially those without formal business training, need guidance and support as much as they need capital. In fact, our research has shown that businesses that access both capital and services experience revenue growth 4 times those of their less well-supported peers. We wanted to connect business owners to the trusted community organizations that can help them take the steps they need to become more creditworthy and to grow. These insights are available to all businesses who participate in the 1 in 3 Alliance, whether they immediately qualify for capital or not. We chose OnDeck as our partner because of the insights, but also because of the efficient way to deliver capital and the opportunity to jointly develop products to reach underserved entrepreneurs together.
We're going to come to this page and see that James has been approved for $35,000 in just seconds. $35,000 is a lot of money for a Main Street business. The nice thing is that OnDeck can customize the approval rates and loan terms to our platform partners' preferences to match their risk tolerance. James is going to select $20,000 here, the amount he's interested in, and the interface allows him to trade off the pricing, the daily payment, and the loan amount. He's then going to go ahead to the next page, where he'll be matched to a local lender in the St. Louis area. This lender is actually going to fund James's loan through the OnDeck platform, and his restaurant will receive the capital in 24 hours. Think about how much faster this has been than a traditional business loan process. Had James gone to his local bank, he probably would have had to wait weeks just for an answer, and odds are, given that he's a restaurant, he might have been declined. So today, what we've seen is how the OnDeck platform can power one working capital loan in just a few minutes to a single Main Street business. Now, think about the impact of these loans on the general economy. This visualization shows the last 250 loans we've made through the OnDeck platform. Each one of these loans creates economic growth. So if you're a financial institution that's interested in working with us to power your small business lending, please come talk to us at the break. Thank you very much.